uAdam is the father of lies. Kunale ngoma yeyahlabelela uthi Themba Inkosi.
Okay.
Uthi Satan ujumpa ama-fence, amaqhinga wonke aphelile. Yes. Uthi maqeda lapho uthi mbambeni nawe uyabaleka. Simbamba simuyisaphi ngoba vele asimfuni phakathi. Uyayibona into enjalo. Lo Satan ohluliwe uKristu
Siphinde simvuze simkhaste mara uhluliwe.
Exactly. Our power doesn't come from the devil.
Okay.
Our power comes from God. Our power comes from the Son of God. Uma sithi siya emasontweni asiyeli kuyokhonza uNkulunkulu. Siyela kuyolwa noSathane. Whatever esifuna kuyenza amakhaya seyigama lika Satan left and right. Into engiyibonayo mina sengibona ngathi igama ukuyimela siliphakamisa, asiphakamisi lona. Siphakamise igama eli wrong.